Amazon is a bold, beautiful Lyra move that takes a little strength, but it's totally worth the effort. It's such a gorgeous shape to work towards, so let's break it down. Get into the Lyra however you want and come to seated. In this example, I'm going to use my right arm and I'm going to press it palm out into the hoop. I'm going to scooch over to the opposite side of the Lyra so that I give myself a little bit of space. Now I'm going to put the left side of the hoop into my armpit, holding on with that left hand. As I push into the hoop with my right hand, I'm going to slide my butt off. From here, I can then let go with that left hand, or I can stay holding on. What's holding you into the hoop is that right hand, really pressing down into the Lyra. To get out of this, lean back, bring my right leg back into the hoop. I can then bring my left leg in, grab the top of the Lyra, and flip around back to seated. Again, I want to really lock out that right arm, slide the Lyra into my left armpit, and scooch my butt off. To come back in, you have to do a big, big lean, holding up high on the Lyra with that left hand. Bring both legs through, flip and sit. Let's try it with a spin. This is a little bit of a more advanced beginner position. It can take a little bit of strength to get back into the hoop, but it's a really fun one to add to your next combo. So go ahead and give this one a try. And happy hooping. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.